Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. This is probably one of my favorite average lifted truck combos. This is a 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT 4x4. You get a 6-inch lift on it. We're running a set of XD Monster 2 wheels, and these are a 20x10 wheel. We'll go over the other side. You can see the sun's kind of blazing over here. There we go, much better. 20x10 XD Monster wheel, wrapped around a 35, 1250, 20-inch Cooper Discover tire. Pretty aggressive tread. It looks aggressive standing from the side. It's got aftermarket Bushwacker fender flares on it, and the tires match up damn near perfect. I love that look. It's clean, it's flush. We got aftermarket all crystal clear crystal clear housing headlights. Just put those in. The grill, the bow tie is blacked out. Under here, you'll see your rough country suspension lift kit system, your drop bracket, if you will. We remove the side moldings, the factory side moldings, make it look a lot more clean and flush. The truck just looks tough, it really does. Walk around to this side, factory step rails right here. There's your rough country shocks right there. Previous guy lived down a dirt road in South Carolina or Tennessee, as you can tell. But the good thing is no rust. So dirt road, but rust. Backup camera right here. 11-hour bed, dropping bed liner. Factory headlights that are in the back. I saved them for the next guy, whoever wants them. Saving you my sloppy seconds. So there you go. Over on this side, there's your rough country shock. Tires are in good shape. I would say probably 70% tread remaining on all four corners. Open up the inside. There are a few scratches and dents, as you can see, but everything is good in good working order and shape. Electric trailer brake controller, base control, and I'll show you why in a second. Cool part about these trucks: flip up the center console, get to work. Boom, get your homeboys, your homegirls, pick up a straggler on the side of the road or at the lot lizard section. There you go. You got compartments in here. There's your inspection sheet. I bring them only to the main dealership, Radley Imports, Radley Chevrolet, right down the street, the main dealership, to inspect it. They pick the hell out of it, and it delivers a better product to you. There's the VIN number right there. Everything's in good working order, it really is. AC blows ice cold. I put a brand new AC compressor in it, or my mechanic put a brand new AC compressor in it. Let's pop the hood and show you the AC compressor in the power plant while we're at it and we're talking about it. So it does not have remote start. It's got a key fob right here. Here's the stock number and the key. There you go. So boom, there it is. Up the hood. Miles, 140,904 maintained miles. JVC Apple CarPlay with a backup camera. Everything works great. Your section in here without my tire shine and all that crap. Everything's good in there. So pop the hood, show you guys what's going on, show you what's all good, and then back up. Vortec motor, and there, if I can see it, hold on. Probably got to get underneath the truck to do it. I don't know, maybe I can get right in here. Hold on. There you go. You can kind of see it down there. Yep, brand new AC compressor. Hands hot as hell from going down there. And radiator too. Had a small, tiny little leak on the corner of the neck, which are common right there. But that also, we didn't patch it, repair it. Just spent the money and went ahead and go ahead and replace the radiator. Brand new radiator. You got your amp wire cable connecting there to the back. Everything is clean under the hood and well maintained. Show you guys the back real quick. I'll show you guys the back of what's back here. My phone's probably about to overheat, but anywho, here's the back. Okay. You got Skar audio amp right here and a huge 12-inch Kicker Comp R subwoofer with a box. So it pounds, it sounds good. You can adjust your bass up front. There you have it. And hope you guys are doing good. If you have any questions about this truck, you can visit the main website. Oh, you can use E85, by the way, or 93 octane, 87 octane, 88 octane. That's what I love about it. There's also your spacer kit right there for the lift kit. If you guys have any questions, call 540-898-3025 or visit superiorwholesale.org. That's superiorwholesale.org to check out this truck and more other trucks and more information on this one. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe, share, hit the like button. Thank you so much for your support, as always. See ya.